Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Microsoft Office on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a popular Linux distribution, but many users still need to use Microsoft Office for their work. In this video, we will show you how to install Microsoft Office on Ubuntu so that you can use it just like on Windows. To install Microsoft Office on Ubuntu, the first thing you need to do is install Wine, which is a software that allows you to run Windows applications on Ubuntu. To install Wine, open the terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T and type the following command, sudo apt install Wine. Enter password. Here you press Y and let it continue. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Wine. Now we will proceed to install Microsoft Office. For that, right-click on the setup.x and click on Open with Wine Windows Program Loader. Here you can insert product key for MS Office. Accept the terms of this agreement and continue. Click on Install now. Wait until setup installation is complete. Click on Close. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Microsoft Office on Ubuntu using Wine. Now you can use all the features of Microsoft Office on your Ubuntu system. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching.